Hi, this is Shreyansh Katheria, hailing from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Recent graduate, studied BCom Honors from Christ University, Delhi NCR campus. Graduated in 2023, and when I was close to graduation, I came across this opportunity of PedalStars and saw this as a perfect opportunity to see and learn things, how things are executed in the startup ecosystem. As I always had this vision of starting something of my own down the years, so saw this as the perfect opportunity to learn and execute things as well. Pedal Start really helped us in pushing past our limits through various activities, whether it be midnight brainstorming or working on different problem statements that are existing in this ecosystem. We got really great insights from all the mentor sessions that we had. We got real experience of running a startup through various projects that I personally worked on. This experience really changed my way of seeing things and certainly has improved my problem solving skills. The team was always helpful from day one, and I'm grateful for all the opportunities that were provided to me. I'll say that this opportunity is the perfect start for someone who's looking to learn and execute things in this ecosystem. I would like to thank Pedal Start for this opportunity that was provided to me. Thank you.